We got a new toy. So let's make a chopped salad.
That's what we got.
Perfect. Okay. Oh. Wait.
I'll cut it by myself.
No, you can't cut it by yourself.
I'll cut this one.
Watch. You can chop it.
Okay, I chop it.
You can chop it, yeah. Watch your fingies. Okay, now press. Your fingies. Yep.
Chop. I'll do this one.
Hands.
And chop. Chop. And chop. And chop.
Wait, watch your fingers.
Mommy, I'll chop it. Chop. And chop. And chop. And chop. On my finger.
What? Where? Are you okay?
What happened?
My finger.
You chopped your finger off?
And
Make sure
look at it. Chop. And chop. But now I need some.
Go for it.
I like it.
You like it?
I mean, I like cucumbers. I eat cucumbers so nummy. Another one. Pepper.
Peppers. Oh.
Oh,
I don't know. That's really big.
I draw. Hello.
One more piece.